Hey everyone, if the audio in your Kapwing project is out of sync with the video, delayed, playing too early, or not matching the visuals correctly, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Kapwing audio sync problems in 2026. First, preview your project carefully and identify where the audio goes out of sync. Knowing whether the issue affects the entire video or only specific sections will make troubleshooting much easier. Next, check the position of your audio track on the timeline. Sometimes audio clips are accidentally moved, causing them to start too early or too late compared to the video. If the audio timing is slightly off, manually drag the audio track left or right on the timeline until it matches the visuals correctly. Even small adjustments can make a big difference. Another common fix is trimming unnecessary silence from the beginning of the audio file. Extra silence can create a noticeable delay between the video and the sound. If you're using multiple audio tracks, make sure they are aligned properly and not overlapping in a way that creates timing issues. And that's how to fix Kapwing audio sync problems in 2026. In most cases, adjusting the timeline, checking source files, updating your browser, and viewing the final export will solve the issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.